again, a BBC repeat, and Lisa, you guys work together, don't you? Do you mind if I let Lisa speak first, because we haven't heard from Lisa yet? There we are, Sinead. Lisa, your theme was all about getting more women interested, involved, integrated into manufacturing. Yeah?
Correct.
What's working?
So what we had in our room, some really enthusiastic responses and ideas on this. So what's really working well are role models. Having female role models in manufacturing, that whole idea that you can't be what you can't see.
Love it.
And the profile of female stories in manufacturing and the types of careers and roles they've had. Having ambassadors, so similar to the last point, having people out there championing manufacturing. Flexible working hours, when they happen, are really working well. And then we talked a lot about having male mentors, and that came up already, I think earlier, the importance of given that more senior leaders in manufacturing are men, how can we have more of those men as positive male mentors to women coming through in their careers? So that was what is working. And what we wanted to stop doing was the whole brand around a laddish culture in manufacturing, that it's a dirty place to be, that it's only lads are welcome. Stop doing only theoretical type learning through education and even further into colleges, and embrace more experiential learning. And then that led into discussion around recruitment and challenging the same old types of recruitment methods, but also the policies around what a job description might look like. For example, you must have 5 years experience in the last 7, which would rule out some sectors of the community. And then stop doing promoting the idea that there's only a one route into manufacturing, and that's through engineering, that there are many skills needed in manufacturing, and that there's many careers available in manufacturing, so stop pushing that out there in the branding. They were the main points from the first 2 questions.
So that's what we need, or you need to stop doing. Sinead, what do we need to start doing?
Okay, well, there was, again, lots of ideas on this. One of the big things was learning from other sectors, particularly the tech sector, who are making big strides in doing things differently, engaging with different parts of the community. A big focus on speaking with a collective voice. So that is us as the manufacturing sector, but also engaging with, collaborating with other sectors and speaking with that voice too, so there's more understanding of what manufacturing is all about. Exploring flexible working patterns. So there's been talk about, things can be quite stuck where there's shifts and that kind of thing. So we have to look at how can we make manufacturing more flexible. Explore how to engage returners, which obviously made me happy, and they were not primed on that at all.
Not much.
And again, the education piece came up time and time again, but it wasn't just influencing education, the teachers, children right through, but it was about engaging parents in the activities that you do. So where you're bringing school kids in, bring their parents too, engage them in it, and you'll have a lot more influence.
And finally, we've all been to conferences. I'm sure between us in this room we've probably been to about 10,000, and you hear lots of words. How do you turn them into action?
Okay, so there's a couple of key actions that came out. One was that collaboration. So building forums where we can collaborate across sectors. So maybe the next step with this is to bring in the experts from the other sectors and learn from them. Rebranding manufacturing, so it's seen as diverse, dynamic, digital, and not dirty.
Ooh, I like that. 4 Ds, I like that, yeah.
That careers the careers that are there for the future don't even exist yet. So we have to be really forward thinking and engage with each other across the organisations to understand that. And the main thing is that we have a collective charter that comes out of today that everyone can sign up to and we all take action on together.
Thank you both very much indeed. Thank you.